If you're like many, you've probably heard this many times. Use more herbs for your wellness. Herbs are great for your health. But if you're like a lot of people, you might be thinking, okay, but what do I actually do with them? The truth is, there are so many ways to use herbs that many may not be aware of. That's why I'm sharing 10 easy and fun ways to use herbs that'll take your wellness routine to the next level without feeling overwhelmed. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking for alternative ways to spice things up, by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you lived without them. Let's start with the most common way to use herbs that's super easy to incorporate into your everyday life, and that's through consumption. One of the simplest and most enjoyable ways is by sipping on some soothing herbal teas or adding herbs and spices to your food. By elevating your meals with the power of plants, fresh or dried herbs like basil, thyme, turmeric, and parsley can really boost your meal's flavor and nutritional value. Imagine a sprinkle of fragrant oregano on your pasta or a dash of cinnamon in your morning smoothie. And if you're feeling a little adventurous, you can try infusing your own butters, oils, and vinegar. A little rosemary in your olive oil can make all the difference. Now let's talk about herbal steams, a luxurious treat for your body and senses. Whether it's facial steams, shower steams, herbal baths, or yoni steams, these herbal treatments can elevate your wellness to new heights. Facial steams with herbs like orange peel, green tea, or calendula can help open up those pores, cleanse, deeply relieving sinus congestion and pressure, leaving your skin feeling renewed. Then there's the power of a refreshing shower steam. Eucalyptus or peppermint shower steamers can turn your bathroom into a revitalizing oasis. The steam helps release the therapeutic aromas, clearing your mind and invigorating your senses. It's the perfect way to start your day or unwind after a long one. Herbal baths are another fantastic way to indulge. Adding herbs like lavender, thyme, or chamomile to your bath can soothe your muscles, calm your mind, and support respiratory health. And then there's yoni steams. Using herbs like raspberry leaf, rose petals, and oat straw can support feminine wellness and provide a deeply relaxing experience. While you can definitely create your own herbal yoni and bath blends, if you're looking for something convenient, pre-mixed, and formulated for specific wellness benefits, head over to my website, jadebliss.com, to explore our organic yoni steam and bath blend options. Now let's dive into our next incredible choice. Let's talk about some TLC for those tired feet. After a long day, there's nothing more soothing than a warm herbal foot soak. Warm water and magnesium from Epsom salt help to draw out toxins, reduce swelling, improve circulation, and ease muscle tension. Herbs like peppermint re-energize tired feet with its refreshing and invigorating properties, while chamomile and lavender promote relaxation and stress relief. Rosemary or ginger can aid in detoxification, providing anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving benefits. These soaks also soften dry, cracked skin and nourish the feet, making them perfect for self-care after a long day. Now, some of you might be thinking, herbs are great, but sometimes life gets in the way, and we need a quick and easy solution. Well, that's where herbal capsules and gummies come in. Capsules and gummies offer a convenient, pre-measured dose of beneficial herbs like ashwagandha, maca root, or turmeric, helping with everything from hormone balance to stress relief. They're like little powerhouses of goodness, all packed into a convenient capsule. They are perfect for women with busy lifestyles who want a quick, no-fuss option to support their holistic health without the taste of raw herbs. Now let's talk about another versatile way to incorporate herbs into your routine. Herbal powders. These delicate grains are concentrated treasures from the earth, packed with nutrition in every scoop. You can sprinkle them on your food, blend them into smoothies, use them in a DIY face mask, or even add them to your favorite soup recipes. Herbal powders like moringa powder are packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Spirulina is a great source of plant-based protein, and reishi mushroom powder can help support your immune system. Herbal powders offer a great option for women who want to customize their intake and experiment with different herbs. It's all about finding what works best for you and your body. Now let's talk about a more hands-on approach to using herbs. Herbal patches and poultices. These are traditional remedies that have been used for centuries to soothe and heal the body. Herbal patches are like little bandages infused with the healing power of plants. They are excellent for relieving muscle aches, cramps, or joint pain. You can use herbs like arnica for muscle soreness, turmeric for inflammation, or cayenne pepper for pain relief. Simply soak a cloth or bandage in a concentrated herbal solution of your choice, such as an herbal infusion or decoction. Apply it to the skin for long-lasting treatment. Now, poultices are a bit more involved, but still super easy to make. Poultices are basically like herbal pastes made from fresh or dried herbs. They're mixed with water, carrier oil, or a base like clay or flour. The mixture is applied directly to the skin, then covered with a clean cloth to hold it in place and allow the skin to absorb the botanical benefits. You can use herbs like chamomile for soothing burns, plantain for insect bites, or comfrey for bruises. Moving on to something that smells absolutely divine, herbal sachets. These small pouches or bags are filled with dried herbs, flowers, and sometimes essential oils, used for a variety of purposes depending on the herbs chosen. Typically made from natural fabrics like cotton, muslin, or linen, they are tied or sewn shut to hold the herbs inside. One popular use is for aromatherapy. Fill a small cloth bag with calming herbs like lavender, chamomile, and lemon balm, and tuck it under your pillow before bed. The gentle aroma will lull you into a peaceful slumber, promoting relaxation, mood enhancement, and better sleep. Herbal sachets can also be used to freshen up your drawers or closets to repel insects or replace dryer sheets to keep linens fresh. Rosemary, thyme, lavender, and mint are excellent choices for both insect repellent and keeping your clothes smelling fresh and clean naturally. None of those harsh chemicals, just pure natural essence. Herbal sachets are also used for spiritual or ritual purposes, typically placed on altars or carried for protection and attraction. They're infused with intentions or prayers to amplify their energetic effects. Another easy way to take herbs is through herbal tinctures and extracts, which are like concentrated herbal elixirs. They're super potent and a great way to get a concentrated dose of herbal wellness. Tinctures are made by soaking herbs in alcohol or vinegar, which extracts the beneficial compounds from the plants. You can place a few drops under your tongue or add a few drops to water or juice for a quick and easy way to consume the natural extracts. You can find tinctures at most health food stores, or you can even make your own. Extracts are similar to tinctures, but they're usually made with a different solvent like glycerin. They're a bit milder than tinctures, making them a good option for children or people who are sensitive to alcohol. Another easy option for using herbs is herbal liniments. Liniments are commonly used for muscle pain, stiffness, and inflammation, especially after intense physical activity. They're made by infusing herbs in oil, alcohol, vinegar, or all three. They act as a carrier, extracting the medicinal properties of the herbs while providing quick absorption through the skin. Arnica is a popular choice for liniments because it's known for its ability to reduce bruising and swelling. Other great herbs for liniments include cayenne pepper, ginger, and peppermint for powerful anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Another holistic way to enjoy plants is through incense, smudging, aromatherapy, and candles. These are all fantastic ways to fill your home with the beautiful aromas of herbs while also enjoying their therapeutic benefits. Herbal incense has a deep history in spiritual and healing practices. The smoke from burning herbs is believed to cleanse and purify the air, while the aromas can promote relaxation, focus, and spiritual awareness. Sage is a popular choice for smudging as it's believed to clear out negative energy. Other great herbs for incense and smudging include Palo Santo, cedarwood, and frankincense. Aromatherapy is all about using essential oils to enhance your well-being. You can diffuse essential oils in your home, add them to your bath water, or even apply them topically to your skin, coupled with a carrier oil. Aromatherapy candles not only create a calming atmosphere, but also help balance emotions and reduce stress, promoting mental clarity and relaxation. Using herbs can truly open your world to healing, offering a deeper connection to plant medicine and Mother Nature. But it's also important to be mindful of their safe use. Always be sure to buy herbs and essential oils from trusted companies, and take the time to do a skin patch test to check for any potential allergic reactions. Using them correctly and with care will ensure you experience the full benefits without any unwanted surprises. Which one of these methods seems the easiest to fit into your current lifestyle? Are there any you feel more drawn to explore? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you find this video insightful, please consider subscribing for more holistic inspiration designed for amazing women like you.